1. Paws equals privacy invasion. Dog paws have scent glands plus nerve endings. Touching them equals leaving your human signature and tickling their secret sensors. 2. The trust meter breakdown. If your dog lets you hold their paws. Translation: I accept your weird human rituals. Now worship me if they yank their paw away. Translation: stranger danger. This feels like a scam call from my nails. 3. The pedicure trauma. 90% of dogs think paw touch equals nail clippers incoming. What's your dog's paw personality?